All right, guys, I'm going to show you the difference of an SPT2 wire, this one, versus an SPT1. It's a common misconception that the SPT2 has a thicker gauge. It does not. The wire inside is the same gauge. This is just thicker of the outer coating for a better purpose of all year, or if you're going to keep the lights up all year. Another thing to keep in mind, this is an SPT1 plug, this is an SPT2 plug. And the difference is that if I go to put the SPT1 inside of this plug, it will work in the SPT2, but it's really, really loose. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that when you buy plugs, the SPT2 wire, which again is better if you're going to keep the lights up all year long and not just do seasonal, is the one that you need to do to slip on the plug. And so what you do is you push the plug on like this, and I'll show you again on the SPT1. I'll take the wire, tuck it in, fold it over, and then you take this. And these are pretty oriented where this back part won't go in the opposite way, but the front will. And then you just take it and slip it over the top, push it with your fingers, and you're done.